go.
Okay, I'm not taking this disrespect again.
Yeah, we need to work together.
Okay, so me and
I'm taking on Steve. I call dibs.
I'm killing Mario. I have beef
Embarrassed
with
by
this
Mario.
guy.
Mario's our natural enemy, so.
Yeah, I have to kill him.
There's no way you died already. Oh, I hit Mario with a strong attack.
No!
Bro, Alexander, I need you. I can't have you fumbling right now. He's fumbling.
Why can't I?
Alex,
Bro, I can't do my fly.
Oh my god. I'm getting a bit. Oh, I died.
What is this?
Us
Steven's completely off the map. No!
Yeah. Alexander, we're dead, bro.
I think Hero has a movie.
I'm back. Pop rocket! Oh.
This stupid plumber! Miner!
I understand why you hate Mario now. This is unacceptable.
You see? This stupid miner and plumber! Why?
Alexander, please just restock off me at this point.
Ow!
I'm not going down like this. Thank you. Oh, I'm dead. He's going to down spike me. I died. Good luck, Chen.
Wish me luck. Bro, I'm pretty sure these guys know each other.
Yeah, they do. They have to. There's just
This
no way
stupid miner and stupid plumber.
Alexander, kill Steve.
What do you think I'm trying to do? Steve has full diamond.
Oh. Yeah, he's a Mario main, I know it.
Why?
Yeah, I'm changing my character. That was embarrassing.
I'm gonna play as a princess, and if we win, I will.
Is this what it's like to fight me?
Yes, it is. But way worse.
I'm changing my character.
Bro, should I?
And I'm changing the map.
You know what?
I'm
Marcus, wish me luck.
I'm gonna be Sonic.
This is
I'm
just
changing the map.
because I've been suffering.
Yeah? You had it last. Oh shoot, the teams are on it. Oh gosh. Alexander, yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Alexander.
If we win, I'm actually gonna. Huh?
Sonic's Mario's worst matchup. So I'll take Mario this time. And I'm not getting. Wait, please be my map, please. No!
Definitely.
I always hear the song.
Why?
Oh shoot.
My stupid down B.
I hit him.
I beat Marcus using Kirby with this.
I comboed Mario.
Gonna say Sonic?
Yes. Oh! We're actually doing good. Oh, he's angry. I made him mad.
I'm very angry. Don't let
Bro,
Steve
he's
mine.
spamming the grab, bro.
Okay, that stupid miner's
And
gonna die.
Oh my gosh, I'm safe. I'm safe.
I'm very angry.
Oh. He got me. Oh, I died.
Mario's very angry.
Oh, I hit Mario with a strong attack. Oh, he's lucky he dodged it. That would have been the end of Mario if I hit that. Steve barely took any damage.
I want Mario dead.
Yeah, me too. He's really annoying. And
Bro,
he's always trying to down spike me.
Yeah, I know, like this.
Why am I getting yeeted when he's doing the grab? I didn't even get grabbed.
Bro. Stupid miner.
No! I almost connected a hit with Mario. Alexander, finish him.
Be hit by a princess.
Yes! We're not getting 3 stock today, baby! Oh. Bye. I died.
No! Suffer! You will die!
Why is Benny so angry?
Bro's very
Beating
angry!
him.
Like, bro, once I joined, this guy wanted me dead.
Not like I was spamming the homing attack a little while ago. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh,
You're charged!
No!
Restock on me.
Stupid Benny.
You're
So-
trash, kid! You're trash!
Alexander, we're losing. Is it? Wait, Alex, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not winning this.
I still have 2 lives.
No, you don't. You have 1 life.
Oh, damn it. Or imagine you could restock of people
No,
if
I'm
they...
gonna be Kirby. I'm gonna be Kirby. I have to lock in.
Imagine you could restock of people if they had 1 life. You know what? I'm gonna go as random characters.
I'm just gonna choose Kirby, and if we lose, I'm gonna be next and spam PK Fire and Pop Rocket.
Bam.
Somebody needs to put an end to this, and it's gonna be me.
I mean, change my character. Who should I be? Let me cook. Are they gonna brawl me?
Alexander, red team.
No, I like yellow.
It's now or never, Chen.
Let me cook.
They don't call me Tank the English Bulldog for nothing.
Bro, this guy's playing as the Pacific Kirby Industry.
Why? Who made this? It's another Minecraft.
Bro, what is this? Oh, it's Minecraft!
Yeah, that's what I just said.
No, I know you didn't.
Oh, there's an Enderman.
There's an Ender Dragon. Yo, I actually love this map.
Oh!
For 2 losers, their maps are super cool.
I know.
Break! I rage rated Steve because
my
I broke
gosh.
his crafting table.
Be careful, Mario loves to spam down spikes. Yeah, you see? He's in love with that. You should marry it. Yeah, see?
I'm actually gonna kill this mo-
He's just spamming.
Bro, I'm actually gonna start swearing soon.
Bro, he's spamming. Oh, he fumbled. Wait. Is there something down there that we can step on?
Yeah, the corner of the end ship.
Bro, he's spamming the grab.
Bro, the Ender Dragon's doing a backflip. Bro, these guys are actually choosing distracting map for a reason.
I'm barely even paying attention to the map.
Bro,
I
I'm
just know-
mostly paying attention to the map.
Ah, die, you dumb plumber.
Okay. This stupid miner and this stupid plumber, I'm breaking his crafting table.
Bro, I'm about to die. Somebody just get eaten by me. Yay! I ate somebody. Yeah! Look at me go! I ate you, Steve.
Bro, Kirby when he's Steve is so cool.
You will never take me alive, you dumb Mario.
Stupid
Yo,
miner,
Mario.
stupid plumber.
Oh, I sent Mario flying. I hit Steve with a powerful attack, and for some reason he did that. How was he not?
What?
Yes. Bro, Mario's so annoying.
Yo, is that a choker?
Come on, I shouldn't have done that. I'm so stupid.
Bro, this guy knows that This guy knows.
This isn't fun anymore.
Come on, don't rage. Don't rage. We're on camera.
All right. We just have to pray it's my map because that's I know what to
No,
do.
we both choose some of our most annoying maps that we know how to play on. Okay?
Oh, you should choose your ice map. Choose the ice map.
Ha! I still have it. One of my favorite maps. Yeah, great teamwork, my yeah. Oh, I thought you.
Blue, yeah. Ready?
Yes.
Let's do this. I'm already spamming PK.
Yes!
Let's go, bro.
Ha 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 ha!
Oh, wait. Why can't I get...
You have to get in the cannon.
I tried. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Mario thought that was a hit. It's not working today.
This is my stage, not yours.
No! Okay, Pop Rocket! Pop Rocket! Oh, Pop Rocket. I can't hit him with a Pop Rocket in here. It's too tight.
Sorry.
There.
Sorry for making mistakes, you guys. Get in the kit! Mario's actually stupid. He's actually stupid.
I'm going to start using combos. Burn, Mario, burn! No! Oh.
Oh, I think Steve hit diamonds.
I sent Mario flying. Oh, he slammed me against a wall. Steve is taking a lot of damage. Oh, I fumbled that. Alexander, just oh.
Yes!
Yes, we go. Look at me.
I hit him.
Oh,
Oh, Steve is at.
Alexander, I'm going to do. Alexander, how do you not go through the cannons when you do that? Like,
I did my
like
up
when
thing
you
in
resist going through the cannons.
Huh?
You know how you infinitely get stuck in the cannon?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
You have to hit one of the two bottom cannons on that side.
Yeah.
Yes!
You did it?
Yes!
Oh, I'm destroying Mario.
Marcus, I think we automatically win.
Are you even pressing anything?
I am. I'm not.
Oh. Oh gosh.
I am immortal.
No!
No,
Why
Marcus,
is it
camp on
always
the
me?
top. Camp on the top. Don't go down. You can hit me.
Well, Mario needs to die. He needs to go.
Bro, Steve is spamming minecarts to get you away.
I sent Mario flying. Alexander, a little help, please. No! No!
Hit Steve. You know what? I'm coming.
Well, when is Mario gonna die? Because I'm actually getting impatient.
I don't.
Alexander, just go through, please.
I can.
Just move to the side.
I can.
Why is she
He's trying to
spamming
fish
the
me.
rat? Alexander, I'm losing. Help me.
I can't do anything.
Alex.
No, I'm not joking. I can't do anything.
Bro, they're cobbling me. I need help.
How do you die?
Yeah. What happened?
Mario tried to get killing me, but he
died
failed.
trying to kill you?
Yeah.
What an idiot. Alexander, I have another live I can restock.
Huh?
I have another live I can restock off you because I just restocked that. Yeah, just do that. You're actually immortal.
I know. Your fate is inevitable.
Oh my god. No. Shoot.
It's time to sit down.
Alexander, you can't
Why did
do
you
anything.
restock off of me? Because if I die, you're dead.
Alexander, we'll be here forever if I die. No. Okay. I can't move because of Steve.
Yes,
Help
you must
me.
be fat.
You're committing child abuse. Or however old Ness is, I don't know. Oh.
They're trying to combo you.
Stop resisting! Die! Steven! Mario's getting angry.
I'm very angry.
Oh.
I'm happy and angry.
Oh. Let me know. No!
It's time for
Alexander,
my...
just kill yourself, bro. Alexander, just you do an attack.
I'm pushing A. I can't do anything.
Alexander, do an attack.
You stupid idiots can't do anything
You might
because I'm
actually win what
alive.
they train.
Oh no! I'm in danger!
No way he's trying to do it. It's not gonna work. He's trying to grab you.
Yeah, I know. Bro, I'm invincible!
Yeah. Alexander, I thought you made it. I thought.
Oh my gosh, Mario keeps getting hit by me. Because I'm spamming the A button.
You're so rage-inducing.
Huh?
You're so rage-inducing. Oh. Alexander!
I'm spamming the A button.
Oh!
Yes!
Mario got that! Mario got trapped and he died.
Mario wants me dead.
I know. I do too.
Yes!
Imagine if we actually win because of this. Oh, shit. Steve is cheating.
Bro, Steve can't hit me from there.
He's cheating.
This is actually so funny.
Oh my god. I know that was like your soft fucking has gotten so much.
Oh, it's going to go to sudden death.
He's stalling out time.
It's going to sudden death. The
Alexander,
lag.
you're actually causing lag on my end.
Me too. My God. This is actually so funny.
No!
If it goes to sudden death, I'm probably losing.
Hold on. I'll be.
Bro. This is actually so funny. Marcus, do you like my stage?
No. Actually, yes and no, because it actually might get us a win.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna go to sudden death.
Wait, doesn't all of us come back?
No.
Oh,
Actually, I don't know.
I think so.
No, I don't think so. You've been in that thing for like 8 minutes.
Huh?
You've been in that cannon for 8 minutes.
I know.
I'm surprised Steve was actually that stupid to go.
Bro, Steve died trying to kill me.
Okay, let's see what happens. I have my controller ready, Justin. Good luck, Chang! Alexander just
I have an idea.
No, you're gonna die. No! Alexander, it's the end.
The lag.
Oh yeah, you're dead. Alexander, one attack is all it takes. No!
No!
Ah. Alexander, put your thing on random. I want to use my stage.
Well, we've been recording for like 21 minutes.
I've been loading Trevor.
Steve, change your team.
Please be mine. Please be mine. I haven't got mine yet.
Wait, what stage did you choose?
You'll see. It has to be mine because then the algorithm is broken. What's taking so long? Yes, it's mine.
Let's go.
Then you let him.
Bro, I should have played as Piranha Plant.
Why?
You know the punching glitch?
The what?
When I punch you. When I punch and then like you get stuck.
stupid. Oh gosh. This is brutal.
I barely took any damage.
No, let's go. Okay. Stop kicking me.
Mario failed the down spike.
I have to stop doing that.
Mario keeps on trying to down spike me, but he keeps on failing.
I know. He tries to. Oh, come on.
Bro, Mario's only after me.
I know, because you're a Lemmy. Who else would he be after?
I stole your girlfriend.
We down spiked each other at the same. Oh, yeah.
No! Oh, Mario's actually so dead.
Spamming. I got you, bro. When trouble times come, there's only one thing that brings people together. More rage.
Spamming.
Fire!
Let's
Oh,
go.
How is Mario not dead? What is this super crazy plot armor that Mario has? Oh, I set Mario flying. Oh, I killed Mario! Yay! Oh, he's mad at me now.
I'm very angry. I'm lucky I'm not you, bro.
I actually made. Oh, I glitched through the wall. Yo, it's the final fight, and Mario's angry at me. Alexander, help! He's after me.
No. I will not help you. Anyway, Steve is mad at
I'll
me.
take matters into my own hands. Oh.
Bro, Steve only has an iron
I
sword.
seek revenge! He doesn't have an anvil. For some reason, I have all these DLC fighters, but I just never use them.
Wait, how is he invincible?
Because I hit him. Oh, he got trapped.
Oh, Steve can place his crafting table over there. Let's go! You saw Steve, I kill Mario.
Okay. But you have to kill Mario now because he's gonna restock. I'm relying on you, Chen. Fate of the world counts on you. Because we haven't won a match. Alexander, be careful. Mario's spamming.
Oh, Mario wants Steve to get diamonds.
Oh, you did your dumb. Be careful, Chen. Oh! Steve almost died.
No!
No!
Wait, can I resolve help you?
Yeah, we're dead. He's spamming.
Is that it?
No! Oh! I touched it! And I was free falling. Oh, I'm dead. Oh! I'm alive! Pop rocket! Oh!
Oh!
I killed Mario with the pop rocket!
Oh!
This is the pop rocket king. What is that?
That's me.
Oh my gosh. This is the final fight. No! No!
It's all uptown.
Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. No! Oh!
Oh!
I got stuck. He's spamming. So am I. I just need him to grind damage.
He reflected it.
Oh, I healed!
Wait, heal from his attacks when he reflects it.
Yeah, he's spamming reflect because I'm spamming PK Fire. No! No!
Wait, Marcus. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Bye.